growth and decay. So if we have a function and it says b to the x, okay, if b is greater than 1, what is it? Growth. Okay, so if b is bigger than 1, it's growth. And then as b is between or less than 1, okay, but bigger than 0, it's going to be decay. I think it goes like this. Between 0 and 1, okay, is going to be decay. Okay, and then obviously we have some stuff on the outside of it, okay? So I'm going to write, I don't even know, the, gist of it, okay? So we have b to the x for sure, and that's our basic function, okay? Now, a number here, so this is going to be plus or minus, we can say h, and then we have plus or minus k, okay? Now that looks really complex. Whatever number is here, if it's a plus, that means our function is going to go up. If it's a minus, it's going to go down. Okay, on the inside, if it's a plus for the h, okay, it's going to go left. If it's a minus, it's going to go, I almost wrote it down, to the right. Okay? And the way you can tell, I guess, is the stuff up here with the exponent is going to be small. Okay? So we look at the small and say, is it a plus or a minus? Okay? That's going to let us know whether that function goes left or right. Okay? And then if it moves up or down. So if you have a function like this, maybe this is your base function. Okay? All that's going to do is, see how the y-intercept is here? Maybe it's going to go up and then to the left. So it's going to go like this. Okay? And so it just shifts that original function. Okay? And you'll do this with like quadratics, absolute value. So we're just going to look at them and see what does it do. Okay? So if we look at number 1, okay, and you do need these notes. Okay? You're not going to survive without them. Okay? If we look at number 1, is it growth or decay? First of all, what number are we looking at? The big 2, okay? So we're always looking at this b, okay? So in this case, so is that growth or decay? Is it bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? Bigger, so it's going to be growth. So we're going to write down growth. Okay? And then we can start with the exponent. What does this minus 2 do? So we're going to look here, okay? A minus does what? We're looking here.
Go to the right.
Go to the right, how many? It tells us, right, 2. Okay, and then we're looking at the very last number on the function, which is this k part. Okay, and what does this do? Is it a plus or a minus?
So minus down.
Minus
down.
Means down.
Down 1.
And then it has a 1 there. So it's going to go down 1.
That's it?
That's it. Okay, so look at number 3. Is it growth or decay?
Decay.
Decay. What number are we looking at?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. So it's going to be decay. Okay, and then we're looking at the exponent. I got up here a plus 2. So what does plus tell us to do?
Left.
Left, how many?
2.
2. Okay, and then we're looking here. What does a minus do?
Right.
We're on the very last one. So we did this one, now this one.
Down 2.
Down 2. Okay, so we always look at when we're kind of reading from left to right. We say growth or decay. Look at me. Growth or decay, left or right, up, down. It's going to go in that same order every time. Okay, growth or decay, left, right, up, down. And we can see we did them in order. Growth, decay, left, right, up, down. Growth or decay, left, right, up, down. Okay? So look at number 5. Is it growth or decay?
Growth.
It is growth. What number are you looking at?
3.
The 3. Okay? It's growth.
And
Then I have a minus 2 there. What is a minus going to do?
Right 2.
Right 2. Good.
Down 2.
Down 2. Okay, look at 7. Is that growth or decay?
decay.
It is decay. What the heck am I writing? Okay, decay. And then what?
Left.
The left 2?
Yeah.
Somebody agree?
Mhm.
And then down.
Left 2, down 2. Good job, Liam. Okay, 9. Is it growth or decay?
Growth.
It is growth. What number are you looking at?
Three.
The 3. Okay, so if it's bigger than 1, it's going to be growth. Then what?
Left. No, right. Because,
Look at your notes.
Left one.
Okay, it's a plus, so which way are you going to go?
left.
Left 1,
Up two.
and then up 2. Good. Oh, shoot. The thing's out. Can I flip? Okay, 11. Is that growth or decay? It's going to be decay. Gosh dang it, why do I keep doing that? Decay. Okay, and then what?
Right two.
Right 2, and you might have to flip back and forth to make sure, you know what I'm saying, because the notes are on the other side. Okay, so right 2. Then what?
Up two.
Up 2. Good. Okay, because even I don't always remember the left and right, okay? So those are the ones. The up and down I feel like are easy for me because like if it's plus it goes up. But the inside is, I don't know, it's just weird. Okay, 13, is that growth or decay?
Decay.
It is decay. Okay,
Left two.
left 2.
Down.
Oh, down two.
Down 2. Okay, 15, we start adding numbers in here, okay? Now, what this does to your graph, okay, just because we're just going to talk about it, we talked about like if you save 1 penny for the first day and then 2 pennies for the second day and then 3 pennies for the third day, right? Eventually you become a millionaire. Who's going to become a millionaire faster? A guy who saves a penny a day, okay, and then adds a penny a day, or somebody who saves $1 first day, $2 second day, $3.
The guy who saves you
The dollar, right? So he's adding like 99 cents more. That's what this number out here does. It does a stretch or compression. It makes the graph go faster or longer stretched out. Okay, but we're not really doing anything with that. What I want you to gain from it, okay, is just to be able to look at and know the difference between the numbers. So is this growth or decay? And what numbers should you be looking at?
It's a growth.
It's growth, and what number should you be looking at?
two.
The 2, okay? Whatever's attached to that thing. Okay, so we're not changing anything from the front, okay? I want you to pay attention to which number you're looking at because it does matter whether it's growth or decay. Okay, so this is going to be growth. And then what?
Then right three. Oh.
Left 1,
More.
okay?
And then down.
Down 1. So, did we really do anything with this 3?
No.
No, we did not. Okay? It's kind of there to just distract you, essentially. Okay, so just make sure you're looking at the right number for the growth decay part. That's the only part I really care about. So look at 17. Is that growth or decay?
Growth.
Which number should you be looking at?
The two.
The 2. Good. Okay, so it's going to be growth. Okay, and then what?
Left.
We're going left 1. And then what? Down 2. Okay, 19, is that growth or decay? Which number are you looking at?
1/3.
1/3, so it's going to be decay. Okay, and then what?
Right two.
Right 2. Okay,
Down.
down 1.